Alright, I think I got most of this figured out, and I'm gonna just hit record and do it. I did collect 5 for Molotov Ribotron Pact. I guess the raid markers reset, and I have everything planned. So straight to tech. I did hit on Discord Advanced Mech and Radar. So Radar went up 1. Oh, and Amphib Doctrine. For buys, didn't complete my battleships, but oh shit. Berlin Lacing and Airborne, Da Vinci, Italians get airborne, buying 2 fighters, buying 2 panzers, 2 advanced mechs, marine, transport sub, and a militia. Clearing the bank. Order of operations. Just gonna move these guys in here while I remember. Did I already fuck that? Nah. I think I'm fine. So, they will be moving through here, and I'll just do the dice roll later. But they're gonna go right here. This comes off this singular fighterable map. Just to help see it. Everything else is just doing a flyby. This fighter joins here. This airborne, still haven't decided, truthfully. Goes 1, 2. I think they're gonna do this. 2, 3. Could be the wrong move, I'm not sure. Oh yeah, 2 infantry go up to Denmark, as well as 2 fighters. This goes 1, 2, 3. This will raid here. I don't think I have any other combat. At least not that I can see. Oh. 1, 2, 3. Bomb the port. And so, kitty cat. Gotta sneeze. That's it. So, these 3 are gonna try and go here. He gets a shot at it. Oh. So they'll raid there. That's why I was asking all those questions in Discord earlier, because I was kind of curious. Like, can I go through that? I mean, since he's out of juice, can't I? I'm not even gonna think about that. That's just cheesy. Anyway, yeah. Alright, let's go. So, black will be Germany. Holy fucking shit, that actually hit really insane. I'm guessing that just maxes everything. I didn't even, I'll apply it up here and here. Let's see, I get +1, right? 5. 4 plus 4. 8. Plus 5 is 13. I'm pretty sure it just maxes everything. Meaning this one doesn't even have to raid, but it, you know, it goes off anyway. Just for shits and giggles. Oh. Because he just has long range, right? Yeah. Go to Denmark. So I have 6 at, or 2 at 6, 2 at 2. And he has 1 at 2 back. Okay. Down here. So I'll shoot my map first. This is the map. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then my sub. Wow. Then his 2 destroyers in red plus his sub. Jesus. So I'll take it on my sub, and he has to take it. Hold on. Oh, for the record, I'm saying hold on because I'm trying to message Veteran about this. Actually, before I do anything else, let me roll everything else and come back to that. Because it already looks... And, yeah. I shouldn't pause during the middle of combat. I just need to see how he'll respond. It kind of matters. Black will be sub Germany. It's 1 damage on America. And then there's this. So he gets his AA. And then I get 2d6s. Jesus. Other combats. Spain in here. So here I have a fighter at 6. And red will be the fighter, and then this is my ground infantry. Uh-oh. And this is his, I think, mountain? Yeah. Nice. Cool. Maybe my plan was not good. I don't know. Damn. And we'll do here last. So, fighter. And then he has his. And then mine. Then his. Then mine. Then his. I am surprised. I've seen a lot of 7s in his and mine. Oh, there we go, finally. Wow. That is crazy on all fronts. I'm gonna roll recruitment for Spain now. Doesn't really matter. I think that actually is enough. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah. So, plop a guy down. I just captured that though, so put it here. This transport non-coms and go with it in there for non-com. So back to this thing. So I have to send him a screenshot. So I'm not actually gonna pause if he responds. I think he's asleep though, so I'm gonna have to probably just go with it. I have a feeling he's asleep, so I'm gonna just run both, and then whatever he says, I will. We'll go with the outcome. So if he takes his destroyer and his submerges, so everything goes again. So do 1 more fighter, and then his destroyer. Yikes. Big yikes. Because this fighter goes here. And then alternatively, if he took his sub, then I guess I roll again. I get 2 hits, and then he would roll 2 destroyers. And he would miss, ironically. So, if he chooses to kill his sub, then my plan lives. Yeah, assuming he chose to submerge his sub, those die. This submerges. I just lost like 2 planes, kind of. It's not good at all for me. This is gonna go there. This is gonna rail here. I hope for some reason he chooses to take it on the sub. This transport goes here, picks this guy up, goes to Romania. Oh, and once combat ends, I declare war on Comintern. Yeah. Barbarossa, baby. Let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These can walk up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll get the Air Force marker in a second. Oh, this didn't do combat. Hold on, this should do something. 1, 2, 3. We'll raid this. We'll shoot this guy. I didn't even see my seaplane. Didn't even matter. 1, 2, 3. This will go into port over here. Jesus. Guy's got range. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go there. And honestly, give me a second to figure out non-com. Because I am fucking lost. Can these go into port? If so, they do. No, actually, no, they don't. Yeah, 1 sec. I gotta figure out non-com. One thing's for sure. This went 1, 2, 3. I think he has to land here. No. He has to land in Madrid. I forgot I owned it at the beginning. And that's for other non-com. Oh, honestly, I'm gonna take the hit on my fighter that was mapping instead of the one that was up here. So that way you can just keep on flying. Some more things to clear my head. I know these 3 tanks from the 86 come in here. I'm still trying to decide whether I want to set up the wall or not right now. I think one thing I'm going to do is take a medium armor and send it to Slovakia. Yeah. Oof, for better or worse, I'm not going to go for the bonus this turn. So these guys from the 86. I think I've only railed 1 tank. So I'll rail this guy to Paris. This guy to Slovakia. That's 4 in total. That's 1, 2, 3. Oh. I'll just go Western Germany. He'll walk in. He'll go here. Airborne goes in here. Um, okay, actually, we're gonna roll this guy to Paris, and then this guy is gonna walk to Germany, Western Germany. These guys, I have no idea. Guess I'll walk forward. Tough call. Yeah, I don't know. I think that's it. I think I go to place units. Right? Honestly, I've changed my mind. This fighter, I think, is better in Lower Egypt. I don't know, but I think so. Alright. I did do a 15 damage to Britain to 9/11, and then, oh, I need to recruit for Spain. 2. And then we collect. Fitchy's at 3. Jimmy's at 48. So 51. Australia's 54. Sad. Oh. And then we place. So Vichy gets an airborne. Italy gets a thing. Transport goes here. Sub goes in Yugoslavia. Marine goes to Romania. 2 fighters, I think, go to Western Germany. Could be wrong. Shit. 2 panzers go somewhere. Advanced mech goes in here. Militia goes somewhere. Let's bring him to Denmark. Oh, I can't. Let's bring him to Netherlands. Yeah. And then advanced mech goes into Bavaria. And I'll put the fighter in Berlin. I actually put him in Bavaria. I have a feeling. Okay, I think that's it. Yeah, a bit of a longer video, but that's it. Ah, Yeah, one more thing. This was supposed to move this way. That's it.